Alright guys, Xiaomi is at it again and the leaks are coming in hot right before the official launch. We basically already know everything about the Xiaomi 17T and the 17T Pro, and there is a lot to unpack here. Full specs, pricing, display details, cameras, battery, the whole 9 yards. So stick with me because this one is actually really interesting and you are going to want to hear all of this before you decide whether this phone deserves a spot in your pocket. And hey, if you are new here and you love staying ahead of the tech curve just like I do, smash that subscribe button and hit the like button right now. It helps the channel grow and means I can keep bringing you this kind of content every single day. Now let us get into it. So the leak comes from D-Labs and both phones have already appeared on Geekbench, which always means a launch is getting very close. Both the 17T and 17T Pro are expected to launch in Europe with 12 GB of RAM. The standard 17T will come in 256 GB and 512 GB storage, while the Pro comes in a single 512 GB configuration. Pricing is sitting around €749 for the standard model and €999 for the Pro. That is about €100 more than their predecessors, but given what these specs are showing, it might just be worth it. Now the chips. The standard 17T runs on the MediaTek Dimensity 8500 Ultra, which is a really solid upper mid-range processor. The Pro steps it way up with the Dimensity 9500, which is full flagship territory. MediaTek has been absolutely cooking lately, and the performance gap between these two phones is very real. If raw performance matters to you, the Pro is clearly the move here. Battery life on both of these phones is just incredible. The standard 17T packs a 6500 mAh battery, which is already massive. The Pro goes even further with a 7000 mAh cell. You are realistically looking at 2-day battery life easily. Charging on the standard tops out at 67W, while the Pro supports 100W wired and 50W wireless. That combination of a huge battery and 100W charging on the Pro is genuinely hard to beat. If you are enjoying this breakdown so far, go ahead and drop a like on this video right now. It seriously helps the channel and tells me you want more content like this. Alright, back to it. Displays look great on both. The standard 17T gets a 6.59-inch AMOLED panel with 120 Hz, while the Pro bumps up to a larger 6.83-inch screen running at 144 Hz. Both are going to look stunning, but that extra smoothness on the Pro is something you notice every single day. On cameras, both phones carry a triple Leica branded setup. The big difference is the main sensor, where the Pro gets the newer Light Fusion 950 versus the Light Fusion 800 on the standard model. Both share a 50-megapixel telephoto with 5x optical zoom, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide, and a 32-megapixel front camera. The Pro should edge ahead in low light, but both are going to produce seriously impressive shots. Software is Android 16 with HyperOS on top, and launching with Android 16 day one is a big advantage over a lot of competitors right now. Both phones come in blue, black, and purple, and honestly that purple colorway is going to fly off shelves. No confirmed launch date yet, but with this many details already out, it really cannot be far off. My take is simple. The standard 17T is incredible value for under €750, and the Pro at €999 is a legitimate flagship alternative with better everything across the board. I cannot wait to get hands-on with these for a full review, so make sure you are subscribed and have notifications on so you do not miss that video. If you found this helpful, smash the like button and subscribe right now. I will catch you in the next one.